Oh, sorry. We're getting camping. It's so heavy that we cannot go any faster than 30 miles an hour. This is really bad. So the engine's burning. So we're a bit lost. Here we are, got a little fireplace with some kindling in it, and the Ryskareu Palace. Chris is just working on some pegs, took us a while, it's a little bit broken. Will's dad gave it to us, well, to borrow, and yeah, not too shabby. So I just started a little fire. I actually managed to make the fire in the rain, which is pretty crazy. If you don't know, candles are amazing for starting fires. Like this. Dip it in like that. The heat melts the wax, which drips onto the wood, and it lights like a house on fire. What's wrong?
Those.
My lovely new white socks. Anyway, this is the tent. This is our bedroom. This is the storage container. And this is Toby's room for now.
Yay! Oh.
There we go. That's what you're sleeping on, Toby.
No.
Yeah. Wow. That was expressive. So, we made a massive fire. There you go, nice. Yep.
Little bit.
Every time.
What, because of me?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That sounds so comfortable.
Alright, it's our second day here. I just left the campsite so I could go on a little journey into the darkest part of the woods. So this is the light part of the woods. And this is the dark part. That is crazy dark in there. Let's park a bit closer than we did before.
Oi.
We're just cooking some potatoes in foil on the fire. And we've got the old Barbie going.
A Pizza Hut, a Pizza Hut. Campfire cooking in a Pizza Hut.
Inventive. Did I scare you? Oh, Toby, your
Toby?
hair's tickling my nose.
Put that back on the table for me, please.
So how you doing?
Nom.
So this is our second night.
Mhm.
Yeah, tomorrow's our last night. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so we're just enjoying the fire. Hello, hello. So it's our third day, and they're just over there getting some firewood. So it's been raining, and for those people who think that a fire can't be made in the rain with wet wood, it can. It takes a bit of perseverance, but it can. So what we've done is found a log that hangs over a load of wood, which means all of this wood is dry. Is that dry?
This is dry. This has been
Wow.
under there for a bit.
Wow, we're gonna have to. We've got some hard
We're
work.
gonna have to burn.
Yeah, bit by bit.
Yeah.
That's right. I cut a lump out of my finger, which was pretty deep. This is our last night here, and it's really lovely. We're gonna miss it, man.
We'd have one day of rain, and luckily it's dried out now.
Yeah.
So we can have another fire.
Jesus.
Right in the line of fire. Get it?
Yeah. Thanks.
Oh! That's what I get for making a joke.
Yeah, come on. Anyway, guys, see you when we get back home, because my phone's about to run out of battery. Peace.